Victor, what's the improvement?
Well, I just saw this sign, it fell.
Yeah.
So I took initiative to put some double side tape.
Perfect.
And hang it out again.
Important to wear the safety PPE. Nice work. Indy, what's your improvement?
When I get a batch of Kanban cards, first thing I need to sort them with same vendors. And
sort by vendor?
Yeah. And also I need to think about other stuff like a back order or some stuff. So they need to deliver to us at the same time. Yeah, that's
so you're sorting by vendor and that's improving. Great. Nice work. Rodrigo, what's your improvement?
So my improvement is include rags and cleaning products
Rags
here.
and thinner? Yep.
Yeah. So because every time it takes some metal and I don't know, hard drive from here to the assembly area, I think we need to clean before because all the material here is kind of dirty. So every time we touch here and we take something dirty from here to there, we will
make a mess.
We'll make a mess.
Better to clean it here.
Yeah, so it's better cleaning here.
Great idea. Nice one. Evan, what's your improvement?
So we have these UCS script things that are supposed to detect when hinges and shelves are crashing into each other and then move them.
Yep.
But there's a lot of, like, I guess, guesswork involved in the old style, and it just loops through everything like hundreds of times per hinge.
Every time you click the mouse.
Yeah.
Brutal.
So I've taken these pieces of code and made them a bit smarter, and it ends up being way shorter and easier to read.
Nice. So. More efficient, less crashing.
Yeah.
Love it. Nice work. Melissa, what's your improvement for the day?
I added some tape so it could give us some grip.
Grip tape?
When we try and pull the sheet off.
Nice, because you got to stand right there when you're unloading. Very good. Nice work. Danny, what's your improvement?
So the shop was getting confused with the paint shop due dates. So I created a column here where you could assign a paint shop due date instead of the project due date, because we need it done earlier than the project due date.
Very good. Nice work. In this clip, Jose's improvement was organizing his paint flow a little better. He's blowing off the pieces more consistently now, and when he sprays, he's using less motion and using the spin bot to a better extent. It also results in less paint usage and overall a better product. Nice work. Rana, what's your improvement?
Okay, so I have this sheet for me to calculate the extended health deduction. So whenever someone get a raise, then I need to inform the insurance company about the raise, and then they will send me the new premium, and then I just put it in this list, in this sheet, and then it will calculate how much the deduction.
Perfect. So everything's in the same place.
Yes.
Cool. We obviously can't show it on video, but it's there.
Yeah.
Nice work. Okay, Amanda, what's the improvement for the week?
Yeah, put the string between two clips. Yeah. There used to be only one.
Yeah.
We easily
lose it.
But one more clip here, and bind together with a string.
Perfect.
Is
easy peasy. Now we don't lose it.
Yeah.
Very good. Nice work.
Yeah. Thank you.
Another improvement that we made was to add a Gemba Docs to create list here. So these are the things that, as we see, we're missing procedures for stuff. You can write it here, and then if people are needing an improvement idea, they can always come look at the list and make a Gemba Doc with the iPad that's available to everyone. Thanks.